In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and register an address on Shein, whether you're using their app or website. To start, let's focus first on setting up your account and adding your address. Make sure you have the Shein app downloaded on your phone or access their website on your computer. Once you're there, you'll need to either log in or sign up if you're a new user. You have the option to sign in with your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, which are all quite straightforward methods. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head straight to the Me section, which serves as your personal hub within the app. From there, navigate to the Address Book option. This is where all your important address details are stored, which is crucial for successful deliveries. Tap on the Add New Address button to start entering your details. Begin by putting your full name and an active phone number. Be sure your phone number is current, as it will be used for delivery updates or if the delivery services need to contact you. Next, it's time to fill in your complete address. This includes the street name, city, province, and the postal or zip code. Properly entering your full address ensures that your packages find their way to you without any delays. After that, don't forget to select your correct country or region from the list to avoid any regional shipping issues. If the address you're entering is your main one, be sure to check the Set as Default Address box. Finally, press Save, and just like that, your address is registered. Now, moving on to placing an order. Browse through the Shein catalog to find the items you want to purchase. Add them to your shopping bag as you go along. Once you're done shopping, it's time to proceed to checkout. Go to your bag or cart and tap on the checkout button. Here, you'll see your saved addresses. Select the preferred address you wish to use for this order. If you need to add a new one, you can do so at this point as well. The next important step is selecting a payment method that suits you best. Shein offers a variety of options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or in some regions, cash on delivery. Make sure you review all your order details carefully. This includes the items, quantities, and prices to ensure everything is correct before finalizing your purchase. Once all the details are verified and you're satisfied with your selections, tap on Place Order to complete the transaction. And there you have it. Your Shein order is on its way, bringing you the latest fashion right to your doorstep. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping!